students, welcome to the next session of online classes. In the previous lecture, we studied about acceleration due to gravity, difference between mass and weight. In today's session, we will study about free fall. But what is free fall? To understand that, before that we need to recall what is acceleration due to gravity. Yes, in the previous lecture we have studied. It is denoted as small g and its formula is g m upon r square, where g is the universal constant of gravitation, m is the mass of earth and r is the radius of the earth. Right? If you see here, the acceleration due to gravity means the motion present in the body due to earth's gravitational force, right, is called as acceleration due to gravity. It is independent of the mass of the object. यहाँ पे कहीं small m है क्या? नहीं है. Small m means the mass of the object which is falling towards the earth due to earth's gravity. But in this formula m is not there. Means acceleration due to gravity doesn't depend on the mass of the object. Understood? So if you have understood this, you will understand what is free fall. What is free fall? Again, I'll give you an example. Suppose this is a pen and it is at a certain height above the earth's surface. What is the velocity of this pen right now? I'm just holding it in my hand, which is at rest now. Means, see, हमने पढ़ा है 9th standard में, there are two types of velocities, initial velocity and final velocity. So this is the initial position of the object. What is the velocity? Initial velocity u? Yes, it is 0. Now what if I leave this pen? Will it fall down towards the earth? Correct. Because of what? Earth's gravity. So what is free fall? When an object is moving only due to earth's gravity. See, when an object is moving only under the influence of gravity, then that motion of the object is called free fall. Understood? Now here, let me give you an example. In fun fairs, we get to see giant wheels. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? वो बड़ा पालना जो round घूमता है, right? So in giant wheels there are different cradles. छोटे छोटे पालने रहते हैं, right? वो घूमता रहता है, round motion, circular motion में घूमता रहता है. You are sitting in that cradle in a giant wheel, and when it goes at the top, is it coming down towards the earth? But is it free fall? No. अगर वो पालने में से गिर गए, touchwood ऐसा ना हो, अगर वो पालने में से नीचे गिर गए, then it will directly come on the earth due to earth's gravity. So that will be a free fall. The motion of the giant wheel is not a free fall, क्योंकि वहाँ पे वो सिर्फ अर्थ की ग्रेविटी से नीचे नहीं आ रहा है. There it is coming down because of the electric energy force also. जनरेटर की आवाज आती है ना जब हम giant wheel में बैठे होते हैं. समझ में आया? So it is free fall when the object moves only under the influence of earth's gravity. It is called free fall. Okay. So पहला point हमने पढ़ा definition. Okay. So first point we studied definition, and the second point we will study, that will be initial velocity of an object which is under a free fall is always 0. मैंने अभी example दिया, the object can show the free fall when only it is above the certain height above the earth's surface. That time we are holding, suppose at present there is a stone in my hand, I am holding it, so initial velocity 0, when I drop it, its final velocity will go on increasing. So the object which is under free fall, its initial velocity is always 0, but the final velocity is non-zero. Are you getting that? Non-zero. Final velocity goes on increasing. The third point regarding free fall is, whenever the object is falling down, two forces are opposing its free fall motion. Which two forces? The two forces are, the first, frictional force